Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. So today I'm going to be reviewing the YSL Libre Intense Eau de Perfume, which recently just launched, and I got my hands on them. Yeah. My name is Olive. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're most definitely welcome. If you're just coming here for the first time, please, I'm begging you, don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and watch my other videos if you can, and possibly share too if you can, if I'm not active too much. So guys, YSL launched Libre in 2019, which originally means freedom, but then I couldn't get my hands on it just because I was still stuck on or still using my Giorgio Armani C. And last year I had a lot of perfumes, so I didn't see the need buying more perfumes. Plus I was not on YouTube then, so I wouldn't have even reviewed anything by then. So anyways, I got an email last month saying they launched the Libre Intense. So I was like, oh my god, I knew there was a rave about this YSL Libre last year, and you know what, I'm not gonna miss it this year. I have to get my hands on it. And yeah, like you can see in the screen beside this video, I got my hands on the YSL Libre, the YSL Libre Intense. Then I got extra samples, so I got a sample of the Black Opium, the Libre Intense, just to see like which one is better. I'm not trying to compare or contrast, but I mean in the process of the video I think I did that because I wanted to see why like there was a rave about that one last year and why there's still a rave about this one this year, you know. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. So this is the perfume from the box. Yeah, I haven't opened it. This is the first time I'm getting it open. Wow. Ooh, this is so pretty, guys. This is it here. It's so cute. It has this gold thingy here, then the YSL logo on it. I know, who are we kidding, guys? It's not everybody that might like this perfume, because one, there are some people that just like smelling like insecticide. I'm not trying to insult you, but I mean there's so much to lemon you can be smelling. People that like smelling like flowers. But who are we kidding, guys? Most of those perfumes that are supposed to be feminine, most of them don't really last long. I mean, like I was saying about this one, this doesn't really last long on your body. Just know that how this one lasts long is probably if you're going for a date, yeah, and when you're about to leave your car, you just spray all over your body, and your date should not be more than an hour, guys, because after an hour you're not going to be smelling of this again. No, it's really easy to open. You open it and it comes with a generous amount of spray too, guys. It comes, hold on, look, can you see? It's so generous. Look how it just went all the way. Smells really nice, guys. These are the testers I got though. So these are the testers I got, and yesterday I decided to do a spray test on them before I slept last night, just so I have like a proper review for you guys today. And this is Black Opium, and I sprayed it on my wrist and I sprayed it on my top. To be honest, there is not much difference between the original Libre and the Libre Intense. Yeah, there's not much difference. At first it smells the same. When you just spray it on your hand, it smells the same, literally the same. So I'm just gonna do that now. So this is the Libre and this is the Libre Intense. You could see the colors here, different. Yeah. So I'm gonna spray I would be spraying the Libre here, then I'm gonna be spraying it on my clothes. So I'll do the same for the Libre Intense here. Ooh. Okay guys, let's give it a see. Wow, this smells really nice. This is the Libre, by the way, guys. Okay, so there's minimal difference. Oh wait, hold on. Okay guys, at first when you spray them, yeah, there's no difference. It just smells like a perfume initially. has this quiet sense when you first spray it on your body. Then after like 30 seconds, the perfume comes out. This one is really nice. The lip is nice, but this Libre Eau de Parfum Intense is more like a CEO, more confidence. You know, if you want to give a first impression and you just walk past maybe an air conditioner or somewhere that like, and probably is breezy and people are just around you, they're just gonna, everybody's going to turn heads like, who is she? Who just passed here, you know? I mean, the lip is good, but guys, I love the Libre Intense because this is more sensual. Like the YSL said it's sensual, but when I was reading it, I was like, marketing strategy. But guys, this is more sensual. This is absolute sensual. Like, this is the kind of perfume you're gonna spray and you hug someone's man and the girlfriend is gonna be like, nigga, who you hugging? I could smell the Libre Intense on you. That's how good this perfume is, guys. Like, the longevity on clothes is amazing. You could still perceive it on my nightwear. It still has like the strong scents there, but on your skin, it depends on your body chemistry or your body composition. It might or might not last above 5 hours because I sprayed it about 2 a.m. and when I woke up by 10, it was faintly there. It was not, probably because I was mizing the spray when I was spraying it. I just sprayed like one puff and that was it. This YSL is date friendly, guys. I think that you could wear all year round, to be honest. I don't see the sense smelling of flowers during the summer because you're still going to, the heat, by the time you sweat and your body mixes with it, it's not going to be a joke. So you want so I feel like this you could go all year round with it, guys. It's really a ton head perfume. It's sensual. It's gonna leave a good impression, especially when you look nice and you're going for like an event with this wearing this Libre Intense perfume. Is gonna give you that extra confidence. You know, you're gonna turn heads. You're going to steal like the attention. Trust me, guys. This perfume is what it is worth the money. It is worth the spend. And yeah, the longevity is good, to be honest. I feel like if you spray an ample amount on your body, you're going to get the sense, the perfume scent you want on your body. I feel like don't just spray one puff and expect it to last like 8 hours. No, you could spray like 5 puffs depending on how you spray your perfumes, and get a stronger sense of it. And you guys, this perfume is not for everybody. It's not for everybody. You might not like what I like, I might not like what you like, but those that are fans of the YSL Libre, you definitely are going to be a fan of the YSL Libre Intense. If you're asking if you have the Libre, is it necessary to have this one? Libre is still Libre, Libre Intense is still Libre Intense. So I feel like if you have enough money to get the two in your collection, then definitely you can, because this is a more intense version of that other one. It doesn't have the same notes. All the notes are not the same. They have similar notes like the lavender, the orange, yeah, but it doesn't have the same sense of smell, to be honest. This has a stronger sense of smell and is more sensual. It's more confident-y. This is really worth the money, guys. This is just a quick review. Please, if you have reached here and you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Anyways, guys, I hope this video is helpful and you guys liked it, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye, guys.